Oh my goodness, this is stressful. Good morning, children, and mom or dad, whoever is helping me this morning. I'm going to start with the mathematics, the counting we're going to do, and the reading numbers in this lesson. Right, so the first thing, you've got this page, I did email it to you. The first thing that I wanted you to do for counting was count forwards from 0 to 50. And then here at number 3, count backwards from 50 to 0. Right, I'm just going to help you with that a little bit. Because the children have to count all the way to 100, they sometimes in the middle lose a bit of concentration. And then they're not sure, for example, if they get to 49, whether it's 49.50 or maybe 49.30, maybe even 49.70. It's not a question of they don't know it, they just lose concentration. So the way that I help them is to teach them to put up a finger each time they get to one of these at the end, one of the tens. So I'm going to count up to 50 for you and show you how to do it, right? So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to put one finger out because there's a 1 in front of the 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Right, then when we're going backwards is very hard. The first thing I practice when I'm teaching it is to start at about 54 or 53 or 55, one of those numbers, or in this case we're counting from below 50, so let's say 43 or 44. Now ask them to count backwards and stop at 40. They often forget the 40 there. They will jump straight from there to there if they're not thinking carefully. So we count 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Or 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. So until they can do that very well. I've asked you to count backwards from 50, but you can actually go on with the others if they are ready to do so. If they're not, that's fine. Just carry on with the 50. So once they remember that 40 has got to be there, then to count back, we're going to use our fingers again. We're going to start with 50 with 5 fingers, okay? So we're going to go to 50. Now we're going to go back, so we're going to take one finger away. Now there are 4 fingers left. This is the hard part. So we know it's going to be a 4 and something. And they struggle to remember that there should be a 9 after the 4. So you've just got to keep practicing 49. And when you get to 30, it must be 39. When you get to 30 and you take one away, then it'll be 29. And that is the hardest thing about counting backwards. That will take quite a lot of practice. You can practice it every day. Right, then the next thing we've got here is number 2 and number 4. And it says count forward starting at 20 and finishing at 30. And then repeat with other numbers. And then number 4, also the same thing, but counting backwards. Okay, this counting on is extremely important. They use it when they do money. They use it for addition. They use it for a whole lot of things in maths. You use it a lot as well. So we're going to try and count on from 20. You're only going to say 20. And he must carry on. He or she must carry on. You can say to them, you can stop at 30, but we're going to start at 20. Okay, now we're going to start 20. He's not allowed to say 20 again because 20 has already been said. It becomes important later in grade 2 and grade 3 where they have to tell you what numbers come between 2 numbers, things like that. Right, so we're going to go 20. And the child is going to go 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 15 and the child will carry on 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I usually let them carry on for 6 or 7 numbers and then I stop them. But it is important for them to be able to start from a given number. So if I say 35, they must know they've got to go 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That happens backwards as well. And then there is that problem of going from 40 to 39, 30 to 29 as well. But if we say 37 and we're going backwards, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32. That's about enough. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. Right, so we can practice that as much as you can this week. Just keep going. You know, it does come eventually. It's just persistence. Just keep going. It will come. Right, after that, we've got the next thing here today is reading numbers. I have sent you a lot of numbers, and at the top there are reading numbers. There's one sheet that has got flard cards. We're not using that one yet, not in this lesson. So what they have to do is they have to be able to read them. I've muddled them all up. They're not in any order. And all you have to do is show your child the number, and they must tell you what the number is. So 12, 20, 18, 60, 40, my goodness, 25, 22, like that. If they make a mistake, so that one was wrong, just put it up here. Carry on. That one was right. They said that one incorrectly, put it up here so you know which ones to revise. Okay, I think that's the end of this. I will be back shortly with the next lesson for the day.